my channel. So in today's video, we're going to pick the winner of the Gku D600 Dashcam. Alright, so again, for everyone, happy 4th of July. So let's make this very quick. Let's pick the winner right now. So let's copy our link here. Let's go to the comment picker that we're using. Let's click fetch. Let's disable that. And we will pick keyword filter. And it's going to be hashtag FG4. Alright. So now we're going to click continue. And it's getting the comment. So now we're going to pick the winner. So for this one, let's go. Congratulations, December Saldana 8821. So congratulations, happy 4th. So if you're watching this video, please send me your information, email, I'll put it on the description. Email me your address so that we can send you this dash cam. Right? Again, congratulations and happy 4th. Again, guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support. Have a great night.